We're gonna cook is a sunny side up egg. Put the heat on medium, and between medium and low heat, and add oil to the pan. Add salt. Izuma. Kuha ang cellphone. Siya eh. Yung tali ang mabuko rin na kain ito nilo. Dali na. Next is an over easy egg. We already have oil in the pan, so we're gonna put up the heat. Wait for a little bit. Other egg. Put some salt. Now, what I want to do is put a lid on top so it will cook really. Wait for a few seconds or minutes. Play na nga. Cover it up. And let the steam do the rest on top. Ayan oh. Zoom na eh. Ha? Ano na? This over medium egg. Still put the heat between low and medium. Put a bit of oil and wait for it to heat up. Now, add some salt.
Ayaw siya. Ang gahi na. Saan naman ang gahi?
Pilit lagi ni.
Ang sobraan. Yan na.
Now we have to flip the egg.
Posa. This is what we're looking at here.
Okay. Next is an over hard egg. Put oil but not too much. Wait for it to heat up.
Maingat na.
Crack the egg. Okay. And add some salt. Next is we flip it.
Ay, okay.
Over hard takes a long time to cook up the color yellow part, the yolk part. So you have to wait. Just put the heat to low so it won't really burn. And if you're not sure if it's done, you just have to check. See here, it's not really done.
Ya, ayo lagi. Sama kan? Sound bro. Sound episode lagi dito mah.
It's a little burnt to crisp, but it's okay. We're just gonna- Next is a basted egg. Put the heat up. Low heat and wait for it to heat up. Add a bit of oil. And add our egg. Salt. Wait for the white to in the sides to cook up. Then we put the water to steam for the steam to cook the top. Then we put some water and put the lid on for the water to steam up and cook the rest. We have to wait for a few minutes for it to cook up, steam to cook it up. Let's check on it. Put the lid back on. And our egg is finally finished. put it in a put it in a plate. And let's do it. Wait. That is a basted egg. Next we're gonna cook is boiled eggs over easy, over medium, and over hard. First thing we're gonna do is boil the water and cover. Cover the lid. I'm gonna wait for it to boil. Now the water is start to boil. We're gonna slowly add our egg to the pot. Put the heat to medium, so it won't be perfectly balanced, and place the egg slowly so it won't crack. Now in making over easy boiled egg, we're just gonna boil the egg for about 5 minutes. And for the medium, we're gonna cook the egg for 7 minutes, and for the over hard, we're gonna cook the egg for about 10 minutes. So it's the timer. Just gonna wait. After 5 minutes, we're gonna prepare a bowl of cold water and place our egg here after it finished boiling. After it's finished cooking, and open it up later on and see if it's over easy, over medium, and over hard. 5 minutes is almost up. So we're gonna take our first egg and put it in our cold water. So over easy boiled egg is finished. We're just gonna take that out and place it in a cold bowl of cold water and wait for the others to cook up. For the over medium, I think I'm gonna wait for about 7.5 minutes until taking it out and putting it in. Okay, now it's almost 7.5 minutes. We're gonna take our second egg, which is the medium boiled egg. So we're gonna take it out now and put in our bowl of cold water for it to sit, and wait for the overhard. So we're gonna wait for about 10 minutes and for to take it out. Prepare to close the lid and finally take out our overhard boiled egg. This is the over easy boiled egg right here. Still flowing, and that's over easy. Next is over medium boiled egg. Yellow is still soft, and that's it. Now is the over hard egg. That's the over hard. Over easy, over medium, and over hard. That's all. Thank you. For my main dish, I'm just gonna use the over hard boiled eggs that I just cooked earlier and garnish it, and I'll show it to you right here. This is the both of our eggs that we're actually it's gonna be our main dish. Now what I want to do is add some mayonnaise on top of the boiled egg. Just swirl it there, and we're gonna add a bit of iodized salt. Just a pinch of salt and sprinkle it on top, so it won't really be that salty. Next, we're gonna add a bit of pepper, and finally, for our last touch, we're gonna add some basils on top. Now place it to our medium fire plate here, and this is my main dish right here. This is my main dish right over here.